Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the only way to prepare cabbage with bacon. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh cabbage and good quality bacon. We'll begin by rendering the bacon to a beautiful crisp, setting aside some of that delicious fat. Then, we'll use that flavorful bacon fat to perfectly cook the cabbage, ensuring it's tender but still has a slight bite. This method guarantees a dish bursting with savory goodness. The secret to this dish starts with the bacon. Cut your bacon into small, uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch. Place them in a cold pan and cook over medium-low heat. This slow rendering process is key to getting them perfectly crispy without burning. Once golden and crisp, remove the bacon and set it aside. Make sure to leave about 2 tablespoons of that incredible bacon fat in the pan. It's essential for the next step. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, especially when you're cooking up a storm. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable and durable. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the star of the show, the cabbage. Shred 1 medium head of green cabbage into thin, manageable strips. Add the shredded cabbage directly to the pan with the hot bacon fat. Sauté over medium heat, stirring occasionally, for about 8 to 10 minutes. You want the cabbage to become tender and slightly caramelized, but still retain a bit of its texture. Avoid overcooking. Mushy cabbage is a no-go for this recipe.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.